tugomba gukorera hamwe. Hari ikintu kimwe mu gihe maze ndi kwandika no gusoma no gushyira amateka y'igihugu cyacu hamwe, nize naze gusanga Kagame akoresha politics of divisionism. Politics of divisionism is at high rate in the Rwandan community, and it is deliberately deployed by the government. Leta ibikora ku bushake, bakazana minisitiri wa minibumwe akirirwa ashwanisha abantu, ateranya babavuka ku bagenocide n'abakora ibintu nk'ibyo kugira ngo the whole society gume mu matiku, the whole generation goes, another one comes in. We really need to go beyond that. We really need to go beyond that. We need to work very hard to make sure we tell our story to the world. We need to tell our story to the Western audience. Western politicians know who Kagame is and what Rwanda is, but the Western population don't know. Abanyapolitike barabizi. Bafite ambassade, bafite intelligence, bafite everything. They know everything that goes on in our community, but the population don't know. Do you know what is the good news? Amakuru meza murayazi? The Western population have power over their politicians. So now we need to make them informed about our situation. And this is how we will overcome the fuel of Kagame's regime. Kagame's government have committed war crimes, crimes against humanity, genocide, killed people, abused us, and it is being supported by the same Western governments we live in. We have the nationalities of these governments. We need to hold them accountable too for not holding accountable of a government that abuses us. And we need to be very bold while doing this. Tugomba gukoresha uburyo bwo kuba bold towards these governments. We have laws in Europe. We have European human rights courts. We have jurisdictions that are local, and we can ask our governments, if I say our government where we stay, to hold accountable our government where we come from, because it doesn't subscribe to the European values, and they still work with the same government. Ibi bizadufasha kugira ngo twongere tugire igihugu cyacu, twongere tugire uburenganzira mu gihugu cyacu. Meruka gupfusha papa mu byumweru bibiri bishize, and I did not have any right to go to bury him. No, mutambabarira. I'm not worried about it. I'm not sad about it. I know it is one of the costs I have to pay to make sure that I hold this government accountable. And this is even a reason to do so, right? So, dukorere hamwe, regardless of our political parties, regardless of our tribes, regardless of our ideologies. Rwandans, let's come together. Our problem is one. One family, one group of people that have come together and have hijacked our country and does not allow us to have even a single one in our country. We are born fighters, like Rwandans are born fighters. We need to really sacrifice for this, right? So ndabibasabye nk'abanyarwanda muri rusange, tuze hamwe, dukorere hamwe, twirengagize ibidutandukanya, ariko to making sure ko we can fight for what we deserve. We can fight for our country. Kandi nanone mbibutsa ko we are a family here. I'm very happy when I see twese tumeze gutya, kuko mu gihugu imbere Kagame avuga ko abanyarwanda bashobora kubaho gutya, which is very sad, and I know it's true, right? So I would just like it to be very on record. Kagame is a criminal. He's a criminal, and he doesn't deserve to be our president at all. Thank you.